Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your first project in Jira. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to Jira and sign into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you'll be taken basically to Jira's home page. Now, on the left-hand side, what we want to do is click onto where it says spaces here, click on the little plus next to that, and then we can view all the different space templates or project templates you can use. So common options is Scrum. So this is ideal for teams working in sprints. Kanban, ideal for managing continuous tasks, and bug tracking, which is self-explanatory. Now, from this example, I'm going to go ahead and choose Scrum. Now I'm going to click onto use template. So this Scrum is going to break down complex works into sprints and continuously improve through incrementally delivery. Now from here, I'm going to give this a name. I'm just going to call this Scrum. Now how your space is managed is going to be a team managed, and access is going to be limited. And now the key is SCRM. Now I'm going to click next. Now it's going to say here, let's set up your space. So you want to go ahead and click into here. Now we've got work types. We can edit these. We can add more work types. We've got statuses as well. We can add more statuses or delete, and views as well. So we can even start with sample work items, which I'm going to do for this demonstration, and then click next. Now it's going to go ahead and setting up my space. I'm going to call this tutorial with, put my email in there. Make sure to press save. All right, I'm going to go ahead and just click I'll do this later. Then from here, we're going to open up our first Scrum space. Then from here, you can explore your project. So if you click on summary, this is going to be an overview of the project. We got board. This is view and manage tasks. Backlog is going to plan upcoming work. We've got issues here as well. We've got reports and all that fun stuff. Then from here, you can go ahead and add your first task. You can go ahead and click on create, add a task here. So click on create, add one or more work items by typing, pasting, or generating if you like, and click on create. And that's it. Your first Jira issue or task has now been added to the project.